It's kind of a winter wonderland right now too, where I live. Alright, so you see, as you can see, hold on, wait for it. As you can see, the new video's up. You should go watch that new video. It shows when the car first ran. So if you're not caught up, the car's running. I bought a battery for it. I bought fluids for it, like oil and coolant and more coolant. So we just have to go get that guy in and yeah. Alright, so we're just topping it off with fluids and stuff. My next thing I really want to focus on though is getting the gauges all wired up, because you know, if you drive a boosted car, you don't really want to go without having. Alright, so it's the next day. We're gonna go to the shop and we're gonna drive my car. So let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna focus. So I get to the shop, my car is not there, and they're trying to push the Supra off this thing. And it's been like years, I guess, since it's ran. They didn't even know if the brakes work. And now I'm getting stuck. Got it. Yeah, you're good. You just gotta. Alright, sorry, it's a very bright day. This is probably gonna be very overexposed. I got the keys. I'm gonna go start it up for the first time and yeah, let's go for a little drive. Now, the boost controller is not hooked up. My gauges are not hooked up, so I don't know if I'm gonna push it, but I'm probably gonna go savage anyways. Fuck.
Duke, come here. Come here.
So one thing I'm gonna do now is I gotta get power to the gauges, like the AFR and the boost, because I have to know vacuum pressure. So that's what I'm gonna work on before. But you saw that, just a quick burn. It's been a year, so I was a little rusty on it. But it feels good, it drives good, it sounds really good, and I'm really stoked. Alright, so here's the deal. I couldn't get the gauges all wired in. I'm gonna need some time for that because like I have to find out. I have to do all this pulling and whatnot, so I don't know, I'll probably do that tonight or tomorrow. For right now though, I'm gonna try, because I need to find like the wire. I need to have some sort of water temp reading. Or first thing we have to do real quick is we're gonna go to the hardware store and I gotta get some hardware for the front bumper and stuff. It's like 6 bolts total. Okay, just gonna get started. is a simple. Oh my god, I think I already lost one. But I just went to like Ace Hardware for like 30 cents. I think I spent like $2. But just oh, dang it. It's just a nut in a washer. See? Nut in a washer. So washer goes on first, obviously. And I'm not gonna record this whole process because that's kind of like silly. Alright, so I got the bumper on. I gotta work on like the fitment of it like that and whatnot. It's not like all the way tight because like for some reason I don't have like the smaller whatever. Long story short, I still have to fix it. Now that the front bumper's on, I actually managed to get the water gauge to work again, and the AFR gauge, and the boost gauge, but I have to wire in the boost controller and everything. But I ran out of electrical tape, and I need connectors, and I don't have a soldering iron on me. So I'm gonna go real quick to O'Reilly's and get all that. You can't really see anything, but I tried to do a little pull. It's kind of hard to drive with one hand like this. And there's a red light, so I can't really do a pull. I'm still like getting used to this clutch again. No gauges, no gauges. You have to record us, you're gonna have to be like this. Here, come on bro, we gotta do all that. Guys, I'm doing YouTube now.
What happened to thought vlogs are long?
You gotta have it up like this. Up
Bro,
like
you need
that.
to get you one of that.
Point it at me.
You gotta get you one of that thing.
I did a burnout earlier.
That's already recording?
Yeah. We're at first official rip where you can actually see
Your
me
girl
drive.
wants to get her coochie licked out. You let me know.
You have to point it more towards me.
You're like, why don't I just be your fucking filmer?
Good, huh?
Hey, dude.
I haven't heard Rb in a while. Wait till I go top mount. I've been like ripping it down there already, so I don't want people to be like, hey!
Yeah, that shit nice.
It's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah. How do I zoom out of this bitch?
It's already zoomed on, man.
Oh, really?
Now we're doing U-turns the right way. Alright.
Hoorah!
I am rubbing like crazy. Every love, I'm just like, sorry about the whole, this whole video is going to be, that whole video, or whatever, I guess in past tense, is going to be very disorganized, camera shaking, like my hands were shaking all day once I got the keys and started the car up, and, you know, it wasn't just to see if it runs, because it actually runs, and I've been driving it for the past 2 days. So, yeah, it took like over a year. The last time I ran was like Thanksgiving of 2016. So it is now 2018, January, and I think it started running January 18th. So yeah, I told you I'd get it running. So now all we gotta do is skits.